Hey guys, it's me, AgileApple. I've been cutting my hair for the past 4 years, and I'm going to show you 2 self-haircut hacks. To prove how effective these hacks are, I'm going to be showing you a haircut where instead of using a mirror, and instead of even looking at the back of my head, I just used the camera display. Hack number 1 is big guards. Instead of having to reach over your head with scissors and a comb, you can just buzz your head, and it should look a little something like this. Ah! So the guard I'm using is the number 10 guard. When you buzz your head, it'll leave it at 1¼ inches or 32 millimeters. Big guards are great because you can have the look of a scissor haircut without actually having to learn how to use scissors. And then you should look a little something like this. So basically, we've dealt with the top of the head, and now we have to do something about the sides. This is where we get into the next hack. Hack number 2, freehanding. To really understand this hack, we're going to have to talk about some mathematics. So if you guys can recall, in Euclidean plane geometry, a tangent line to a circle is a line that touches the circle at exactly one point and never entering the circle's interior. This is basically what you want to do, but with your clippers. You want your clippers to follow the tangent line. What I'm trying to say is, when your head starts rounding, lift the clipper up your head and start moving in a straight line in order to blend into the top. Alright guys, this is where it gets kinda nuts. So you guys know how when you lose one sense, another sense becomes stronger? Well, basically, because I can't see the back of my head, my sense of touch was pushed to the 9s and I was able to use my hands to see the back of my head. Alright guys, here is the finished product. Alright guys, here's a before and after. Thank you for watching my video. And before I go, I have to admit the truth. I did look in the mirror to finish off the haircut. And it's okay if you hate me. Goodbye.